Welcome to Justina's Healthy Ghanaian Meals, where we meal prep healthy Ghanaian meals each week. This week, I will be making Ghanaian green leaf stew, which we call in Turmeric abumu. I will be showing how using the same ingredient, you can make different meals. So you're not eating the same meal of your choice. I am using spinach and kale. Whatever greens you have where you live, you can use the same greens as you like. And I also have onions, tomatoes, some bell pepper. I have here melon seed, akatwa. I have here peas. I have some carrots. I was not able to include the carbs and the proteins in this video because my camera's battery died, so enjoy the spinach stew for now. Start cutting my tomatoes. The longest part of meal prepping is cutting up all of your fresh vegetables, but to me, it is worth it. So have fun with it, eat some of the veggies, and just dance along as you cut your veggies. When you are about to blend your melon seed, please add lots of water. Veggies, I have tomatoes here. I have some shallot. I have some onion, some chopped bell peppers, my spinach, and my kale. Yes, your greens are good for you. Here I am adding some homemade season blend that I have in the fridge. This you see right here, it's called tomato stew. It is the base for most Ghanaian stews. So from now on, you add on whatever you need to add. So now that I have my base stew done, I will be making different dishes with it so I do not have the same meal throughout the week. In this video, I was able to capture 3 different stews. The plan was to do 6, but my battery died, so I was not able to record all of it. This first one is melon seeds and the tomato stew. This second one is palm oil with spinach and melon seed stew. And this third one is spinach stew with millet seeds, and I also added lots of bell peppers in it. You can use frozen spinach to make this dish. I just prefer using fresh, but you can do what you like at your home. I prefer to use fresh spinach, so when I buy the spinach, I can also use it for smoothies and salad. So it's for multi-purpose use. That's why I use fresh. Thank you for checking out my channel. I hope these dishes inspire you to make healthy Ghanaian meals at home. Remember, new videos every Saturday. Bye-bye.